Hey, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition. I'm going to do a couple of unboxings here. One of them is something that is just particular for this truck that we need a part that needs to be replaced. The other one is something that everybody should have on a big truck like this because it's very difficult to back up and you can't see what's behind you. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, this is a great opportunity to subscribe to the channel now. And also, of course, like, comment, and share videos if you know somebody who you think might like to see the video. But definitely hit that thumbs up if you like the video. So this first one is something that I haven't talked about, but through those many years of this truck being used as a, wasn't that many years, but through this truck being used as a business vehicle, a delivery vehicle, this occurred. The armrest on the driver's side broke. So I purchased a new one. This is the first time I've seen this, so I don't even know what it does. It's got the hardware, it's got the armrest. It also looks like it has an insert. So you put it in like this, you install it like this, and then this part goes over it. So that is first on the agenda. There's a broken part off of the other one here that I need to address. I believe, but we should be able to make this work. Okay. So I need to remove the hardware or the original mounting pieces that were on here because they're cracked. So that's what this is. So this goes right here. It's the same exact part. Essentially. So I just got 3 screws to remember where they go. Start with this screw because it's closest to the center. And then I'll just loosely mount them until I get them all started. Should have done this years ago. At this point it seems pretty easy. Last screw. And then I'll just start tightening them all up. I can see how this broke because it's pretty cheaply constructed. This didn't come with any instructions, so I've never done an eclipse like this before, so I'm gonna see what happens, and I guess I'm just winging it here. There's 4 clips and 4 slots, so these parts here, they look like they just line up to here. I'm pretty pleased with the finished product here. I think it looks pretty good. So project number 1, not really, but one of many in the books here. And now we'll move on to the backup camera. Like I said, it's something that everyone should have if you're driving a big vehicle like this. And it's a safety component here. this is the first time we've opened this one as well. So we will see if everything is here. So this is a backup camera. And in an earlier video, I actually said that it hooks up to your cell phone, but it looks like this one actually comes with its own monitor, which is really cool. So it's dedicated to just the camera. This mounts to your license plate. So this also comes with this mounting device. Not sure how that functions, how that works yet. Here's the camera itself. And I'll let you see it being installed, and we'll check out how it works. So we have a license plate that's on the corner, so it's not centered on the vehicle. So I thought I'd start by marking where it needs to be mounted. So I'm putting this tape right here. And there's a couple of rivets down here that allow me to line it up and keep it in a straight line. Because you can't count on the ground being level, but you can pretty much count on these rivets being level in the construction of the van. Okay, so that'll give me a nice spot to mount this, or to start the holes to mount this right there. Now the reason why I'm mounting the camera in the center, or why I'm having to do it without any holes already there, see, this is designed to mount on a license plate frame. So it would mount up here and it matches the holes on the license plate. But since my license plate is in the center, or on the left side here, and normally your license plate is in the center on a passenger vehicle, it's my opinion that this is made to be in the middle of the vehicle. So I'll do that next. Hey guys, if you're watching Fit for Expedition, you watch this channel and you enjoy what you see, well, especially this video, give it a thumbs up, but please subscribe to the channel. So the lines are marked as far as where the slots are that will accept where the screw goes. So okay, that's through. Which one you gonna do first?
Just tell me, driver or passenger side.
Okay, try doing the driver's side one.
Okay.
Is it getting tight?
Yeah.
Okay.
It won't go anymore.
Okay.
It won't go anymore.
It was a nicer day out.
Yeah.
I think it's gotten worse because I wanted to do some work. So.
Yeah. Sounds right.
Yeah, I bought this backup camera from the company, well, off of Amazon. The camera is called the KEC XNY HD wired backup camera. They have really good customer service. I bought it, it only had a 30-foot cable that it came with. But it says right here in this manual that you can order a 50-foot cable and they'll send it to you for nothing. So it's $10 to order the 50-foot cable. And they gave me a gift card on Amazon. It gave me the free cable and shipping free. So I just wanted to give a shout out to this company. I purchased it on Amazon in January. It's $39. So I can't vouch for the camera yet, but I can vouch for the customer service. Look at this rat's nest. So there's the backup camera. It's mounted. It doesn't have, I haven't hidden all the cabling and everything yet. You can see it's just laying there. So there's the monitor. And I might leave it like that because I got 3 cup holders. And that's a pretty good view from the driver's seat. So, and all you've got to do is hit the power button right here. And there you go. You can back up, you can see what you're doing. And I had to mount the camera upside down because of where the wiring has to go. So I had to turn the monitor upside down, which is not an issue except for it doesn't have the little shield. There's a little sun shield that goes over the top that goes like that. It goes on the bottom because I have it upside down. If I look into the monitor, get a little better idea how it operates. Probably, oh, you know what? I just realized I'm gonna have to turn it upside down. I have to drill another hole to put the wiring through because that is a diagram to help you back up, and it's probably adjustable. That diagram, you can make it wider probably. But that's basically how you install it. It's just some simple cables that connect it. These two go to the monitor, and then there's another connector over here, and that goes to the power source, which is this cable. Like I said, I haven't run the wiring yet. It's this cable, and that goes up to the power source. And so you want to turn it off, you just hit this button, turns it off. So that is the quick and simple way to install a backup camera that you can buy on Amazon for $40. I think it works pretty well. Hey, if you got anything out of this, hope you did. If this helped you out and my mistakes help you in the future, think about subscribing to my channel, Fit for Expedition. Or at least give a thumbs up to this video, and I'd love to see your comments, or if you have any questions, that would be cool too. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.